Still should be able to see his head on there.
What's up, guys? It's April 12th, opening day of turkey season in Kentucky. 5:33 a.m. Waiting on my dad. We're gonna try to get in the field that I killed a turkey out of last year, and hopefully we can make something happen again. I'll catch y'all. Got all my gear loaded up. I'll catch y'all later. Well, 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 look what the cat drug in. What's up?
Good morning.
What? Walk of shame.
You'll have those.
Yeah. I think he's still around. We might be able to kill him.
Oh, yeah.
Keep walking. Well, guys, what you're seeing there is me and my dad struggling to get on a bird that was pretty hot. He had gobbled at almost every single call, but just wouldn't come across the fence to us. And it's a heartbreak when that happens. So we just kind of went home and ate some breakfast, and we might have took a nap. But then I get a call from Andrew. He has birds gobbling. So I called Jaden while he's at work, and we're going to try to get after him.
When did I call you last?
I don't know.
But there's trails. I mean, we're not going to take this one. I think we'll go in my hunter house, but we might see if we can strike one up here.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well, we got out there and we called and called. Couldn't get nothing struck up. He just had them hot. So I had been hunting all day, so I figured it was time for me to hang it up and just wait till tomorrow. Sees us. Mine and Jaden's turkey hunt didn't end well on April 13th. I missed the turkey, and we should have doubled up. So I get a call from Nick Frame, and he's ready to go hunting. So me and Ryan set out to do that. Fucking nerd.
Double hanging out and not be anything too close. They gotta be. There's that call.
There's like little trails.
There's a trail that goes get up in here, right there in them trees. Put the decoys right here. He's gonna probably come right up out of this. I just don't want to sit here. That spot there's kind of fuck because you're sitting on a hill, but I don't want to sit here because I'm afraid he'll come behind me. Fucking motherfucker wouldn't come down where I could see him. If you would have gave me just a little bit more heads up that I was going to shoot him.
What did you do? You couldn't move. Your gun was stuck behind that tree. I knew it was.
Oh, I could have shot.
Yeah, I was trying to tell you not to.
Nick Frame's turkey hunt didn't end well. He missed 2 turkeys. They was kind of spooked to the Jake decoys, and there's nothing really you can do about that other than make something out of nothing, which is pretty hard. And it's getting crunch time for me now. I got another week of work left, and before I can hunt on the weekend, and it's getting down to crunch time for me because I'm itching to kill a bird. So I have the weekend open, and Gavin wants to go hunting in the morning. Big ass is hiding behind that. What the hell?
Good job.
Let's go.
Let's go, baby.
Let's go.
Good job.
Holy fuck. Let's go. Come on, fall down.
Good stuff, baby. Awesome. Heck yeah, baby.
Did you get it on video?
I mean, I don't know how much
Did you turn it
probably.
towards him?
Yeah, I mean, it's on there. You can probably see his head.
Let's go.
That's awesome. I don't know. He didn't like that Jake decoy. He must have.
He was fucking putting around on the Jake.
Well, yeah, you did the right thing. I mean, I was hoping you'd let him come out a little bit far, but I think you should still be able to see his head on there. It's been a long day, hey, Kitchen.
Oh my God.
It's been a long day, bud.
Oh my God. Let's go. Oh my God.
Been a long day, boys. Long day.
Ooh, man. We have been on gobblers all day.
We've been on birds all
I'm
morning,
just glad
all day.
I've missed. This is the.
Kitchen's been, he's been on a struggle, bud.
Oh my God.
Been trying to calm him down all day.
Wow.
So you just
Shot
gotta have
his tail.
patience, boys, patience.
Oh
It paid
my
off
God.
all day hunting these bad boys.
Oh my God. Let's go.
That's awesome. You got a pretty good beard on him.
Yeah, he's got some decent spurs.
Ain't bad.
God. Oh, let's go.
That's awesome.
Man, I hate that he has to flop around.
Step on his head. Well, he's gonna fly away. Get him, Kitchen. There you go. There you go.
Well, guys, today has been rough for me and Gavin. We've been on several turkeys, calling at them. End up gobblers is what we're fighting in Kentucky, but I finally managed to get it done. I'd say it's a 2-year-old bird, but it's been a hell of a day for me and Gavin out here. It's been windy and nasty, and I don't know how big he is or anything, but I'd say he's just perfect for me. And we've been at it hard, so y'all keep watching the videos, and hopefully Gavin will get on one soon. We'll get him on video.